when replacing your tie rod ends and rock ends, so don't dismantle it completely because this will be your baseline. So measure from here to here, let's say the middle of this end, so you can replicate it with your new one. So it will be in the ballpark of being aligned. So using a tape measure is, of course, ideal. I'm just showing you that. Here. You will be in the ballpark of being aligned. Now, if you only remove this, then I would take a picture so I will know how much thread is exposed. But you need to take to consideration the new tie rod end, because not all tie rod ends are the same. Like for this is a bit longer and this is shorter. So now you have to consider the number of threads that you will